Dear broken child hiding in the shadows, you know that feeling when everything falls apart in one moment? When you're 5 years old and the news comes that changes everything forever? That was Mephibosheth's first 48 hours of hell. His grandfather, King Saul, was dead. His father, Jonathan, was dead. And in the chaos of fleeing, his nurse dropped him, crippling both feet permanently. Case closed on his royal future, or so he thought. For years, he hid in Lodabar, the place of no pasture, no hope, no future, just waiting for King David to find him and finish what the battlefield started. Then came the summons to Jerusalem. This was it, time to pay for his grandfather's crimes. But David had made a promise to Jonathan, a covenant of kindness. Instead of execution, Mephibosheth got restoration. All of Saul's property returned, a permanent seat at the king's table like a son. Not because he deserved it, but because of grace. Your damage doesn't disqualify you. God has a table with your name on it.